Hey guys, Tommy T back again. This is part 6 of the video of this MSI build, Custom MSI, and this is the whole entire build, light up, fully functional, running. I got my wireless card hooked up. I got the SLI configuration, SLI bridge on there hooked up, and also the MSI logo lights as promised. Everything is working. It's a 0 and it is looking mighty sexy. Everything is plugged in, all the cable sleeves plugged in. I have my 500 gig MSI card plugged in. My SSDs in there. I got 2 of them. One's on the other bottom this side. Let me show you. One's on the bottom this side. I got the pump running, the fans, everything is good. Got hooked up to my monitors, and I'm running triple monitor actually. I'm sorry. And I'm playing some StarCraft right now. So just so far, let you know that I've been playing for the last 30 minutes, 45 minutes, and the champ on this with the clock that I have set up is at 30 Celsius, and it hasn't passed 30 Celsius at all. Stay at 30 Celsius or below. That's pretty much it. It doesn't get any more higher than that, and playing StarCraft could get pretty hot, pretty hot. The water blocks is amazing. Everything is running great. So I'll do another video of the whole entire overclocking, benchmarking, everything like that. But the card and the build came out unbelievable. It's just unbelievable. I can't complain. It's exactly what I'm looking for, exactly what I wanted. So I'm actually running 4 monitors. I'm sorry, correction. I'm running 4 monitors. 1 monitor for my email, 2 monitors for the games, and then the other monitors for YouTube and stuff like that. So tell me what you guys think. The back plates looks awesome. All the sleeving, the tubes, everything looks amazing. You can see on there, and this water block with a light up like that. It's awesome. So comment, share, concern, any questions, subscribe, and here goes the pump to sew, and I had add a little touch here and there, and man, this SLI bridge is amazing. Just looks sick, man. Looks pretty darn sick. Alright guys, appreciate Tommy T out. Please share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.